Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean a K&N pod filter. So first things first, you're going to need a cleaning kit from K&N. So you're going to need a K&N air filter cleaner, and you're going to need the K&N air filter oil. This is the red oil. So first things first, you want to take the filter off the car. So now I'm just going to need a Phillips head. Boom. Alright, once you got the filter out of the car, you want to get your air filter cleaner and liberally spray the entire filter and do it at least 3 inches away. Alright, so now you want to let the solution stay on the filter for at least 10 minutes. Don't let it dry, and for the 10 minutes, within the 10 minutes that it's sitting there soaking, it's loosening the dirt. I'll show you the next step after 10 minutes. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes, so now that the solution has pretty much did its work by loosening the dirt, what you want to do is use anything that's low pressure, and what you want to do is clean it from the inside out. So I don't have a garden hose or anything like that, so I'll be using my spare bathtub. So I'm just going to get some water. And you can see some of the dirt already falling out. So what you want to do is clean. Let the water run. You know it's clean when the water starts running clear. So as you can see, the water's turning clear, so I mean, it's pretty much all the dirt that's clean from the filter. Sorry about that, I wasn't even in the camera way, but you can see what was coming out from the filter. So now what you want to do is, I'll find this off, you probably didn't hear me. Now what you want to do. Alright, so after you finish rinsing like I did, just sit there, shake off any excess water, and allow the filter to dry naturally. The red oil that I showed you, you don't want to spray that. I got the Aerosol one. So you don't want to spray the oil onto the filter until it's 100% dry. So I'm going to allow this to dry, and we'll be right back, and we do the last step. Alright, so once it's fully dry, after an hour or overnight possibly, you want to get your red oil, the K&N, and you want to spray this on each pleat within, that's about 3 inches away. Making sure there's even consistency throughout the color. And that's it. I'm gonna shake off any excess and then let this sit for 10 minutes. And then just, in the meantime, just let this, just clear any excess off. Alright, after 10 minutes, just put it back on the vehicle. And all done.